Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create recurring bill payment reminders in Todoist. This is a critical skill that can help you manage your finances better and avoid late payment fees. So let's get started. First, log into your Todoist account. This is where all your tasks and reminders are stored. The reason we start here is that you need to set up your reminders in the environment where they will be activated. Next up, click on Add Task at the top right corner of your screen. This is the starting point for creating any new task or reminder in Todoist. The reason we do this is to initiate a new task creation process, which we will customize into a recurring bill payment reminder. Now that we've done that, type in your bill name in the task name field, for example, electricity bill. This helps us because it specifies what the reminder is about, making it easier for you to remember what bill payment is due when the reminder pops up. Next, you'll need to set a due date for your task. Let me explain why this matters. Todoist will send you a reminder based on the due date you set. So, in the due date field, type in the date of your next bill payment. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you set the recurring option. In the same field, after typing the due date, add every month or every week, based on your bill payment frequency. This will make Todoist remind you about this bill payment at the set interval. Lastly, press Add Task. This is the final step where you confirm and save the task. Once you've done this, Todoist will automatically remind you about the bill payment at the set frequency. And there you